Hello guys, welcome. Today I bring some product for you. This is our fuel injector we are showing today. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. The neutral white boxes, and the label on it, the one side each pieces. Product code 0451200034. And other information. If you want print with your own logo, the label, the packaging bag, so on, contact us. We supply the customized service for you. In the inside, 2 layers. The first layer, the second layer. VCI anti-rust bags. China made, brand new. Each of our spare parts nozzle had high quality and brand new. And generally we use the Shumatt, leeway, and green powers and so on to make sure it has a high quality and it can have a long service life. Yes. But for some customers, if you want to hire the qualities, you can contact us. We can use the original Bosch brand, yes, to extend the service life. Okay, actually, yes, for our product, before we seal it, we would make the three times test for common real test, and make sure when we receive it, our product have the good qualities. And except that we have about our product, we have the 6 months warranties. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can return it. We can exchange your product for you. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. Yes, each week we have videos on the Facebook and the YouTube account. Follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye, guys.